Distance between two real numbers a and b on the number line r is absolute value of difference between real numbers. Let's do few questions for better understanding of distances between real numbers. Here we have few questions. In first question, we are given the numbers -7 and 8. Let's get started. So given real numbers are a is equal to -7, a is equal to -7, and b, the second number, is equal to 8. If we are to find the distance between a and b, we can simply find out their difference. So the distance between a and b. In mathematics, we can denote this distance by d between a and b, and then we can write a minus b absolute value. So this means that distance between AB, D is for distance and A is for the first number, comma, B is for the second number, and this is equal to -7 and -8, and this is the absolute value. And here we can calculate this difference, which is equal to -15, and we know from the definition of absolute value of a real number, if we take absolute value of x, this is equal to x if x is greater than 0, and this is equal to -x if x is less than 0. So if we apply that definition, this must be equal to -15. So what it means that we ultimately will get the positive number, which is 15. So this is how we can find the distance between two real numbers on the number line. We are given another pair of real numbers, and for that pair of real numbers we have a is equal to -2.5 and b is 3.75. A is equal to, here given a is equal to -2.5 and b is given that 3.75. So simply, if we want to find out the distance between a and b, we can denote that distance by d for distance between number a comma b equal to the modulus sign a minus b. And this is a mathematical language. That's how we denote the distance between two numbers. And now we put the value for a, which is -2.5 minus 3.75, and this distance between two numbers will be equal to, if we add them up because both of them have same sign, then this should be equal to -6.25, and because within modulus sign there is a negative number, this in fact is equal to -6.25, because absolute will turn any number into positive. Doesn't matter inside modulus whether there is a negative or positive number, that doesn't matter. Modulus means just the number itself without any algebraic sign. So this would be equal to 6.25. And now the last question, third question, is Here the given number is given a is equal to, what is a equal to? A is equal to 2 whole 4 by 5 and minus 1. 2 whole 4 by 5, 2 whole 4 by 5, and b, another number that is equal to minus 1. So now if we want to find out the distance between a, b, this is equal to a minus b, modulus sign, and then equal to a is 2 whole 4 by 5 minus, this minus belongs to the formula for the difference, and the b itself is negative, therefore we place minus 1 and then the modulus sign. This is equal to, if we want to convert this 2 whole 4 by 5 into improper fraction, this will become like, you can multiply this with this and then add this for changing it into improper fraction. This will become 2 5 times 10 plus 4 14 over 5, and negative time negative will become plus. This is equal to 14 plus 5 over 5. If you take the LCM, you know how to simplify fractions. So this will give you 19 over 5. And 19 over 5, we can leave it as such, or if we want to convert it back into the mixed fraction, this will be 3 whole 4 over 5. This is how we can find distance between two real numbers.